Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we are going to see the code for swapping the numbers in GeeksForGeeks. Now let's read the question. Given two numbers A and B, you need to swap their values. So A holds the value of B and B holds the value of A. Just write the code to swap values of A and B at the specified place. So in this code, we are just asked to swap the values of A and B at the specified place. So here we have the input A and B. So A's value is 1 and B's value is 2. So output should be A will be 2 and B should be 1. So now let's see the code for this. I'm going to do multiple assignment. So I'll write A comma B is equal to B comma A. So what happens here is, since we're using a single line of code, whatever is present in B will be assigned to A and whatever is present inside A will be assigned to B. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.